Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, my good viewers, those who love itraj Pro videos. I salute you all. Today's topic, we are going to see how can someone learn how to use Word document. Some people knows computer, or some of them, they have just bought computer. They are trying to learn computers. So this is the way to go learning computer online. So today's topic, we are going to see how do we use Word. Some people doesn't know these features, but we are going to look at them. Then we see how do they work. Then we open our Word document. Then after opening our Word document, that's when we are going to see these features. How do they work? When should I use these features? So that we be used with them. Even though you are there doing on your document, you are trying to type something, you know where to go. So this is my Word document. So when you open a document, a Word document, it has this menu bar. This one we are seeing file, home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. Then we have this sub menu bar also. This is like references of the main bar. So when we open, automatically it will come when it is on home button, whereby that is like a dashboard where we are supposed to write anything we feel like we should type. Okay. Now in home button, we have the word paste. Okay. You can just paste anything from somewhere. You just come and paste on your word. You have format point. Now the main instance here is here. On the page layout of our document. Let's say we have written our document. Okay. After writing our document, now we just want to give it like a design body. Okay. How are we going to design our document? Page layout. So we can choose here. We want the font size. How do we want our font size to look out? Then we choose among this one here. After highlighting the document we have written, you first highlight. After highlighting, come here. Then choose how do you want your document to look like. So anything you reach out, it will show you how the document is changing. So it's you who feels that my document should look like this. Okay? So let's say my document, I want it in this language. Okay? So the moment I press that font size, it will come. Now the size of the document. How do I want my words to look alike? After highlighting, anything you do, you have to highlight. So you highlight, you come to these figures here. You are seeing I'm moving on. The more you change the figures, the more it shrinks, or the more you go up, the more it widens. Now this is my document. Now we have this one here, this A here, okay? This A here makes the thing wide. This is like a shortcut of this size. Then this one is the smallest, a shortcut of decreasing. So here, this is where we change our document from capital letter to small letters, okay? We want to change sentence case, we want to lowercase. If we want them to be in lowercase, we just come here and press lowercase. After highlighting, if we want them in uppercase, we just say uppercase. Okay? Now, from here up to here, it is like page layout or graphs. We have been in front, now we are in graph, paragraphs. So in paragraph, we have where we bullet in our documents. If we have been doing like bullets in where someone writes a letter and you have bullets in, or you have been writing a topic, you have bullet in. your document, you just come and click there. On bulletin, you choose which type of bulletin should I include. Is this one? Is this one? This one tick. It's you who knows which one do you want. Okay. Then if you come here, if you want to number your letters with numbers, with ABC, with Roman numerals, whatever, anything you feel like is good for you, this is where I come. I can name them using this. We are still on paragraph. Okay. Now, down here is where I may say my document, I want align it to left. Okay, like now how it is aligned to the left. If I want to align it to the middle, I'll just come there to the center, in the center. If I want to align to the right, I'll just come and align it to the right. If I want to do it the normal way, I'll come and align it to the normal way here. Okay, that's how it should be. Now, then there is this one here. I may need to decrease the size here, okay, to the right size or to the left size, depending on what you want, okay. I may want it like that. I may want it like this, to the right side, depending on what I want. Now, this one here, it is just where we put spaces in the what? In our document. You just come in there, you put in the spaces in the document, according to what you want. Or you may say, me, I don't want space in the document. You just come here and say, remove space in the document. Okay? Then this one here is where we give our document colors. The background color of our document. Okay? So if I highlight and say, me, I want my document to look like this, look like this, look like this, look like this, look like this. The behind the color, that's what we are talking about. Okay? Then here, this is where we give our document borders. If you want to give borders, you want to give a border, you want to put the border lines of the same, you want to draw your own border, you want to put grid references behind, okay, anything you feel like you want to put here, it can go there. Okay, then here, this is the hyphen that shows that this is a paragraph. I may say I want a paragraph, and then the one that shows that this was a paragraph or its own independent paragraph, I have to use that one. Then here, this is like a heading, any type of heading. So anywhere you go, you'll see that headings are changing according to what you want. It keeps on changing until you get the right heading you want. So here works when someone is on the heading. So if I'm on the heading, that's when I choose to go to this thing here. I may see that me, I want heading 1, I want heading 2, I want heading 3, I want heading 3. Are you getting? So this is how you make your heading better. Okay. Then if I want to find something in my word, I just come here and type. I just press find. Then here, it will bring what I want to find in my word. Okay? So if I type here a word in my document, let's say I've typed H, okay? It will bring all the H's in my document, okay? If I write S, okay? Then I search, it will bring all the S's in my document. So it's you who feels that me in my document, I want this one. Even though it is a whole page, or there are like how many pages in your document, you just come here and say, find. You press what you want to find in your document. Then when you press it there, the document will highlight what you wanted. Okay, if I want to replace anything in my document, I will just say, I want to replace anything that is called B in my document. So if I want to replace A, B, then I want to replace it with P. So it means wherever there is B, it is going to replace it with P. Then I'll come and say next. next, then next. Okay, next. So it means where everywhere that was B was replaced by P. Are we together? Now, then select, you want to select an object. Let's say I want to select something in my document, at select, or it can work as our shortcut, that is select, okay? Then I want to select only object. If we had only object in our document, I can select only object, okay? Select all the text with similar formative, if I want to select all the, just it's you as someone who is using a computer. Computer is very big, but you who's using it, you are the director of it. It's you who directs what to do. So if you say, me, do for me this, the computer director will do what you want. If I want to change my layout of the color of my words, I will just come here to this ink here. I press here my ink here, it shows me the colors. Then I just change according to what I want. Okay. Then if I want to change the lining of the words, okay, just on the lines of the words, I just come here and choose anything I feel like to change. I want to change the color. You've been finding that some in Word, someone has just chosen some words and is highlighted. You highlight them. Okay, that's how we highlight things. Okay. Then here it is style of your words. Okay. So if I want my words to get another style, I will just highlight them here. Then I say in a different words. Okay. It will just style them. Okay, according to what I feel is good for me as someone who is using this word, who is designing with this word. Okay, then there is this thing here, this x squared. X squared here works like if we are in mathematics. So when we are in mathematics, in future videos, we shall see how do we use mathematics how do we type exams of people in Word. Everything can be done in Word using just Word document. Can do anything you feel like you can do. So you can use this x squared. You will see how it works. Then this one, if I want to make my word broke, I'll just come and highlight broke. If I want italic, I'll just come say I want them in italic. I want underline them, I'll come and say underline. I want to cross them. I no longer want them, I want just to cross them. I just, if I don't want, I unlike. Okay? I like them, then and I like them. You can choose which type of line do you want on your document. It's you who wants, who feels this should be this. You can even say, my line, I want the line which looks like this. You change the color of the line, depending on what you feel like you want. So this is all about home. Now we have this word insert. We are going to see two things in Word today, home and insert. Now how do you use this insert? Okay. Now the insert, we have cover page. Okay. We have blank page. We have break page. So when do we use cover page? When I've finished my document, I will need a cover page. Okay. Cover pages are different. You may choose according, if I am writing like a book, I will just come to cover page and choose which cover page should I use in my document. So I may say, me, I want this cover page on my document. So it will first put my cover page on top. Then I design my cover page according to what I want to design. Then my document will go after my cover page. So if I want to add on the blank page, you just come and click the last page. If I want to add the blank page, then I say add. Then the blank page comes. If I'm still continuing writing, then I keep on writing, adding blank page. Then break, page break. This one, we usually use it when we are like on books, going to name books. We shall see those tutorials in future. How do we number booklet? We shall see them then. Those one who will subscribe, then now make sure you subscribe, you like my videos, you share my videos so that you can see more these videos of how to use computer online. So we have even these tables here. How we can start in a table in our what? In our document, according to what we want. Okay, so you just choose and say, according to my document, me, I want this one here in my document. You just choose a document you want. You just put what you want in your tables. Okay, then after putting it there, you can design according to which document do you want. Okay. Then we have insert pictures. In insert pictures, it means I have my picture in what? Somewhere saved there. I can just say insert pictures. I just click where I want this picture to come. Then I bring my picture and put my picture there. I can choose to put in the video. I can choose to put it anywhere. Then we have these online pictures. If we don't have this one, then you can choose them online. If your computer is connected on internet, you can choose to search them from online. Then you can choose to insert a shape. Shapes, see, we shall see them, how we use them mostly in mathematics. When you are typing like exams and the like, we shall be seeing them accordingly. We shall come back and see each by each how does it work, how you can say insert a picture. So after putting it there, it is asking you a design, any design you feel like you can put. If you want it black to be blank, I can put it to be blank. Then you can name it according to what you want to name. You can remove shapes. Okay, so we shall be seeing these things accordingly. So we have this in insert again. We have where we have smart charts. This is like people who are doing like graphs. You can use this if you are doing like booklets. Okay, you can use have graphs. You choose any type of graph you feel like you want. We just put in a graph. Okay, in this one I have screenshots. If I had screenshots in my document, my computer, I just pick a screenshot from there. We can choose anything here. We shall see how it works. So people follow my videos, link up, follow me, subscribe. We are going to always have these videos at least twice a week. Follow me, subscribe, like my videos, share my videos. Then we continue together, learn computer online. With Raj IT Pro, we shall learn everything. IT Raj Pro, we shall learn everything with computer. I will just post a video of how we can design. Go to design, we can go to page layout. Okay, then more and more and more of these videos are coming. Thank you very much for listening. We meet you tomorrow or next day. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye.